Park. Yeah, it's barbecue. Somebody's having a picnic. Yeah, watch it because it looks really steep. Ooh, that is steep. Oh. Okay, go. Okay. Straight. Yeah.
Здравей, Dani.
Dani's tired. Wanna have a break in the shadow somewhere?
Yeah.
Bike
Ciao. Hey. Hey. Ciao. Ciao. We are now going to film bushings for my new longboard. Ciao. Zdravei, welcome to the new video. I am currently in the West Park with my friend Daniel, and today I am going to use Venom super high rebound bushings on my new longboard. I am going to change the stock bushings that came with my board. I have bear tracks, and today I am going to show you how to change the bushings. I will give you my first impressions, honest review. How do they feel? Yeah, let's start. This is the tool that you're going to need. The 14 is for the kingpin. You just unscrew it. You take the first part, and this holds bushings not to be not to be directly squished from the nuts. So this one is called a barrel bushing, and then up you have another bushing that's also the same shape, and these ones called double barrel. We are now going to exchange these two for Venom bushings. The hardness of these ones were 91A for my weight, 70 kilograms. Take one barrel and put it on the board side. Then we have the hanger. These ones are a bit higher, 1 or 2 millimeters higher than my stock bushings. It is also wider, not just higher.
Problem is that it's hard for it to get in the bed. You can see that it's starting to splash. It's not going in.
Yeah.
So if you shave this part, it should be alright.
We are going to use Dani's longboard, and his grip tape is much harder than mine.
You just put it on the angle like this.
Okay.
And you start shaving it and rotating it so it's even. I can try on the little ones.
Oh.
Yes, yeah, this is better.
What was your biggest speed? Do you know? Have you ever measured it?
80.
80.
Yeah, it was 80
Wow.
kilometers. We have to do it on both sides for sure.
Yeah.
One for your hanger and one for the washer, because you have the cup washer.
Yeah.
So it still needs to fit, but
okay.
I think it will be.
Now we're going to test them. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Immediately, way less carving. If you have double barrel bushings, they are going to help you to reach much higher speeds without the speed wobble. In my case, it prevents me to carve that much. When you're skating in the park, make sure to watch for all the pedestrians, because they don't have the sense that you are coming. Yeah, watch out for everyone, not just for yourself. And I believe we are going now to do a few tricks right here. Let's go, Fakey. Ooh, Dani doing some slides. So let's try some skateboard tricks that I knew from so many years ago. Ooh. This is my first ever try to ollie on a longboard, which is next to impossible, I believe. Also, I will try pivot, shove it. I don't know. We shall see. Are we ready? It's heavy, but it's doable. I need to commit.
You had the pop, but
I don't have the...
yeah.
Okay. Ah! I need to push harder. This is not a skateboard. Ah! Ah. Now I know why people don't do ollie on longboards. Is it ollie?
I think so.
Okay. Woo. Takes a lot more energy to move everything. Another. Yeah. Almost. Woo, this is a workout. I have a new level of respect for every longboarder right now. If I land, you buy me a beer.
If you land on your foot.
Woo! With them all. Ah! Eat something. Better. I like it. Yeah, 360. Why not? I'll take it. Oh! Credit card. Tap. That's it for today. So thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more, and yeah, leave a comment down below if you want to see something else. And I'm now going to eat. So yeah, we need to catch the bus. Stay sharp and stay focused. Пока-пока.